okay. It's okay. It's okay. Enugu Ezike Keleo. My name is Chioma Abe Enugu Ezike, aka Chiomske. I am from Imufu, Enugu Ezike, based on local government area of Enugu State. I am one proud daughter of Ezike Orbas as far. I don't joke with my place, I don't play with it at all. I want to use this opportunity to share with you guys the proud history of my place, Enugu Ezike. Research shows that Enugu Ezike was one single and largest community in Nigeria and even in Black Africa at large. By the grace of God, we have been able to have 36 autonomous communities. That is to tell you how large my place is. Enugu Ezike is a place that is well known for great and wonderful things. Our original palm wine. Our palm wine is original. Nkwọcha bụ dachi. Nkwọcha adịghị but n'ụwa niile gba gburugburu. You can't create it elsewhere. Our own palm wine is original and unique. We also have palm oil, palm kernel, in fact everything palm, and many others. What led me to narrate this history is because as a proud daughter of Enugu Ezike, I was privileged to get here various variations where my lineage could happen from. What a heartwarming history. It is very important that I share this history here because there have been a lot of controversial issues around the origin of this great man. And it is also sad to say that most of my friends, brothers and sisters, relatives, in-laws, and even people married to Enugu Ezike don't actually know this proud history. So I felt it was necessary for me to bring it out since I was privileged to get the history through my research and the research of others who was interested to know the history just like the way I know this he has interest. Our forefather Ezike was a handsome, elegant, strong, great and powerful man as per Obudogu. Ya bụ nwoke shiri ike, ya bụ nwoke gbashiri ike na mmadụ, ọ bụ obere na-ebi efi na afọ ha. He was actually born as a baby boy like another person, and a beautiful hometown was named after him, Enugu Ezike. Ezike's existence, life and time had led many writers into opposing views in their writings as well as oral accounts. However, there are some notable writers and historians who made enormous efforts with regard to this history, which are famous V.K. Johnson, who made intelligent reports on Enugu Ezike in the year 1937. We also have Professor Afigo of Ropes and Sound Film. Again, we have His Royal Highness Ben Eze of Umugulo, just to mention but a few. It's not all that why some people's account in this topic favored Benin as the likely origin of Enugu Ezike, possibly because of the Oba monarchy in the area. Some insisted on Enugu segments, possibly because of the existence of Ezike in the area. However, deep research shows that Enugu Ezike was neither from Benin nor from Enugu. Rather, he originated from either in Kogi state of Nigeria. Ezike's father was Ata of Igala. Ata married many wives. Ata represented the custodian of the people's culture. He was a well-known chieftain of his place. He was a well-known chieftain of Igala Kingdom. So Ezike was born in a prestigious home as well as polygamous home. Ezike's mother then gave birth to three children, namely Ezike, Ekba, and Omoka. Ekba is the junior brother to Ezike, while Omoka is the only female child among them. People may ask, how come about the Oba in Ezike's name? The Oba in Ezike's name was a nickname given to him by his father, Ata of Igala, a name that he used to praise him because of his capabilities as a young man. History said that Ezike was a hard-working man, that he took up hunting for a profession and he was very good in it. Whenever he goes out to hunt, he comes back with a game cut. And that made his father to praise him. Ezike Oba, Ezike Oba. It's not easy. So, and that is why even if you come to Enugu Ezike, there is no signpost where it's written "Welcome to Ezike Oba." No. Anyị enweghị n'ihe nwere bụ Enugu Ezike. Welcome to Enugu Ezike. If you are referring to Enugu Ezike, it's Enugu Ezike and not Ezike Oba. Onegoshi that Oba is not his real name. That the Oba is just a nickname. So, but people, rushed to people linked the Oba of Ezike to that Oba of Benin. Ezike was praised because he was capable and responsible. But do you know something happened? And that thing that happened changed Ezike's life as well, gave birth to our history. Ezike's junior brother committed a heinous and grave crime which has serious consequences in Igala Kingdom, even till date. However, back then, according to the custom, such case was handled in three ways. The victim could be sold. Back then, we sell slave. That person could be banished. That is sent to exile and would not be seen again. Or that person could be killed, depending on the circumstance. But what Ezike did was a situation that led to the third option, which is killing. What could this young man have done that warranted such penalty? Ekpa committed adultery with one of his father's wives. It's very, very bad. I know. Yes, we know. It's bad. Very, very bad. Ojoronjo. Ihenadiroma adiroma. Let's call a spade a spade. You mirror all the good toy, child going. However, Ezike was known to be a very compassionate brother, humble and hospitable. As an earthly brother, he felt that something should be done. History made us to know that even his fellow hunters advised him to devise a means of saving the life of his brother Ekba. So, and because Ezike was brave and strong, necessity became the mother of invention. Not that they were condoning Ekpa's act. No, not at all. They were not condoning his act, although we were not there when it all happened. All we know is that Ekpa committed a crime that warranted death penalty. Now, Ekpa committed a crime. Yes, we know he has death penalty. Yes, of course. But Ezike helping his brother is also another issue. Can you imagine? the love Ezike had for his siblings. No wonder why we Enugu Ezike love ourselves like this. Anyị fụrụ onwe anyị n'anya. Ha fụchakwa ụmụ Enugu Ezike fụrụ onwe ha n'anya. Oke, n'ime n'anya. Ịbịa n'ebe anyị Enugu Ezike. Na ụmụ Enugu Ezike in diaspora nke onye isi ha bụ Chief Roland Ayok, Eze Omeọgọ, na ndị nke ya na-agba mbọ akwalite obodo, afụ na obodo na-aga n'ihu. Ihe na-agba mbọ afụ na ihe na-enyere ụmụ ogbenye aka. Nke ya bụ kedu ihe na-emere ka obodo gara n'ihu. Eziokwu. Oke, a na-ekwudo nke ọhụrụ na Enugu Ezike diaspora na-eme na-akpọtụta akpọtụ. Chief Rotes na onwe nke ya ọ na-enye ụmụ ogbenye nri, ọ na-enye ụmụ ajadu nri. Nke ya bụ kedu ihe dọ ya na-eme ka emere na ya nọ, that is fully support. A na-ekwudo ha ma na-ekwu ọhọ Don Chris, Dr. Chris Onyekachi Simon vuru nke ya bata n'ụgbọ kpọrọ ego ka esi eme ndụ Enugu Ezike si ya nọ ya jiri ya chọrọ ihe na ihe ya zara ashwa. Kwadome about 200 persons in Enugu Ezike. So ya jini achọm ihe na-eme na nkịtị. Bịara kwawa ewubete ihe a na-akpọ Kosim Foundation n'Enugu Ezike. Ọ bụ ihe ụzọ ndị be anyị chi ya fụ nwa anyị akwalite onwe anyị, akwalite obodo, eme ka ihe blatụle ndị be anyị, eme ka ego n'obiama gbele ndị be anyị. Obodo hom sọsọ ideji ogugo karịsịa nke onye obi ya bụ ihe kpọkọbara otu a na-akpọ otu Nsụka bụ otu olu, Nsụka one voice. Onye sịrị mba ahụ na mmegide na mmegbu a na-eme ndị be anyị n'ọdụghị oyi na ya ajịga nọrọ n'ihi achịba ya anya n'ọdụghị oyi kpọkọta ndị mmadụ, kpọkọtere ndị be anyị. In fact, ọ bụkọta so n'Enugu Ezike ya na n'igo Nsụka niile ọ na-ekpọkọta alụ ọgụ eme ha bụla emele ndị be anyị megide Igbo Nsụka anyị na-emegide. Ọ dịghị easy. It's really commendable. It's not easy, my dear. Seriously. Back to our business. I was really emotional about it. I was carried away. You can imagine. Ezike running in the night so that his father's car could not get him. And there is it's commendable, my dear. And people will be wondering, Enugu Ezike, how did you get to know these things we are saying? How did you get to know these things we are saying? Enugu Ezike. Well, it was Ogbai Mono of Agribeji, who was a warrant chief during the Lagos administration in the year 1918, that gathered information for us and made us to know the effort Ezike made after taking the advice of his fellow hunters in order to save the life of his junior brother Ekba. He then finally got into a place called Ogu. From Ida to Ogu, it's 200 kilometers. So Ezike successfully gotten to Ogu, but something happened. And that thing that happened also led to a name, Enugu Ezike, but was previously called Enugu Ezike. But I'll not tell you now. I'll not tell you guys now. By next week, I will tell you this. I will then bring the gist, give you the gist. Meanwhile, stay tuned. Just stay tuned. By next week, I will bring the story in full. I will then complete the gist. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumb up. Feel free to add more to our research. Comment, share, subscribe to my channel because it won't just be history. More things will be coming to you. Please support your sister and friend. Because ability without availability is a liability. Enugu Ezike is out to make you proud. Thank you for watching. Ụmụnne m Ezike amaka. Ọ maka n'ezo. Hmm? Okay, you have a lovely and nice day. Bye bye.